In this video, we briefly introduce you to the feetinform software. The main window is divided into 5 areas: navigation, workspace, banner left, banner right, and attachments. Let's pick a customer, for example, by using the quick search. By clicking on the search result, we load the customer folder. It appears in the right banner. Here we can see the customer data, his orders, and productions. Below we see the attachments. Now we navigate to the Customer tab. Here we can edit the customer data. In the Order tab, we can see the order data. Via the order list in the customer folder, we can switch between the orders. In the left banner, we can see the available measurement systems, for example Spike, and the customer's measurements. In the Modeler tab, we construct the insoles. We find the libraries on the left and the 3D tools on the right side. We can also work in 3D. In the Production tab, we generate the production data and see the production progress. Via the Customer folder, we can switch between the productions. In the left banner, we can see the available milling machines, 3D printers, as well as the contact details of the feetinform production center. The Settings tab is divided into several subsections. Here you can enter your company data and set other standards. And now we are going back to search.